Want to know which common foods could be feeding cancer cells in your body? Stay tuned as we uncover the 9 worst culprits and reveal how you can maintain a balanced pH for optimal health and disease prevention. Your dietary choices could be the key to a healthier, longer life. In a YouTube video, an internationally renowned health educator emphasized 7 alkaline-forming foods essential for cancer prevention. In this video, we explore 8 acid-forming foods to avoid, aiming to maintain a healthy environment that naturally defends against cancer and other diseases. Before delving into specifics, it's crucial to understand the importance of maintaining a balanced pH level in the body. The human body's pH typically ranges between 7.35 and 7.45, but disease thrives in acidic conditions, particularly at a cellular pH of 5.5. Cancer, yeast, fungi, and other diseases favor acidic environments, exacerbated by low oxygen levels and high sugar intake. Having explored alkaline foods in detail previously, we now turn to acid-forming foods, characterized by high levels of phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine minerals. Meat, especially red and processed varieties, tops this list due to its protein and phosphorus content, which increase acidity. Hybridized wheat, a staple in many diets, has undergone significant genetic modification since its original form, resulting in a complex gluten structure that can be difficult for many to digest, contributing to acidity in the body. Caffeine, found in various foods and beverages, also has an acidic effect, challenging the body's pH balance and depleting alkaline minerals. Refined sugar, a staple in many processed foods, also contributes significantly to acidity. Despite its pH-neutral nature, sugar's metabolism in the liver produces acidic byproducts like lactic acid and acetic acid. Moreover, sugar consumption can deplete essential alkaline minerals needed for neutralizing acids, further exacerbating the acidic load in the body. Its inflammatory effects also contribute to an acidic environment, making it a concern for overall health. Dairy products, particularly aged cheeses, are another category of acid-forming foods due to their high protein and phosphorus content. These substances, when metabolized, contribute to the body's acid load, necessitating careful consumption to maintain pH balance. Caffeine's presence in our diets poses a challenge due to its acidic effect on the body. It's commonly found in coffee, tea, and many energy drinks, exerting pressure on the body's regulatory systems to maintain pH neutrality. This can deplete essential alkaline minerals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, potentially predisposing individuals to chronic diseases. Alcohol and tobacco, though not foods, further contribute to an acidic bodily environment. Alcohol metabolizes into acetaldehyde, a neurotoxin that affects brain function and overall health negatively. Similarly, tobacco use introduces toxins that disrupt pH balance and contribute to chronic acidity, further complicating efforts to maintain optimal health. Processed foods typically high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives contribute to an acidic environment in the body. These foods not only affect pH balance, but also have inflammatory effects that can exacerbate health issues. Artificial sweeteners, though low in calories, can alter gut flora and contribute to acidity. These sweeteners may negatively impact metabolism and overall health, challenging the body's pH balance. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH environment, around 7.35 to 7.45, in the body is crucial to supporting overall health and disease prevention. Acid-forming foods challenge this balance, requiring the body to use alkaline reserves such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium to neutralize excess acidity. Over time, chronic consumption of acid-forming foods can deplete these essential minerals, compromising immune function and metabolic efficiency. A balanced approach to nutrition is essential, incorporating both acid-forming and alkaline-forming foods. While acid-forming foods should be limited to around 20% of the diet, alkaline-forming foods such as leafy greens, legumes, and nuts should constitute the majority, 70 to 80%. This approach not only helps to maintain pH balance but also provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall well-being. One way to introduce more alkaline-forming foods into your diet is by incorporating more fresh vegetables, especially leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are not only high in vitamins and minerals but also help neutralize excess acids in the body. Fruits can also play a significant role in maintaining pH balance. Citrus fruits like lemons and limes, although acidic in nature, have an alkalizing effect once metabolized. Berries, melons, and apples are other excellent choices for an alkaline diet. Got a question about worst foods? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Your support keeps us going. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and buckwheat, are preferable over refined grains. These whole grains provide essential nutrients and fiber, aiding in digestion and maintaining a balanced pH. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are great sources of healthy fats and protein. They also have an alkalizing effect on the body, making them excellent additions to your diet. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are another group of alkaline-forming foods. They are rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, supporting overall health and pH balance. Herbal teas, like chamomile, ginger, and peppermint, can be soothing and beneficial for maintaining pH balance. These teas are great alternatives to caffeinated beverages and can help reduce acidity. Hydration is crucial for pH balance. Drinking plenty of water, ideally with a slice of lemon, helps flush out toxins and maintain an alkaline environment. Avoid sugary drinks and sodas that can contribute to acidity. Fermented foods, such as sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir, support gut health and pH balance by introducing beneficial bacteria into the digestive system. These foods aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. Organic and locally sourced foods are often better for maintaining pH balance. These foods tend to have fewer pesticides and chemicals, which can contribute to acidity. Supporting local agriculture also promotes sustainability and reduces environmental impact. Cooking methods can also influence the acidity or alkalinity of your diet. For example, steaming and boiling vegetables can help retain their alkalizing properties, while frying can increase their acid load. Opt for cooking techniques that preserve the nutritional integrity of your food. Monitoring your body's pH levels can be a proactive approach to maintaining health. You can use pH test strips to check your saliva or urine regularly, giving you insights into your dietary needs and adjustments. Educating yourself about the pH levels of different foods can help you make informed choices. Many online resources and books provide detailed information on the acid-forming and alkaline-forming properties of foods, enabling you to plan balanced meals. Lastly, reducing stress and incorporating regular physical activity can also help maintain a balanced pH. Stress and sedentary lifestyles can contribute to acidity, while exercise and relaxation techniques promote overall health and pH balance. In conclusion, understanding the impact of food choices on pH balance and disease susceptibility underscores the importance of making informed dietary decisions. By prioritizing alkaline-forming foods and moderating intake of acid-forming foods, individuals can cultivate a supportive internal environment that promotes longevity and vitality. Always prioritize your health. If something feels off, trust your instincts and seek medical advice. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Your subscription means a lot to us and helps us continue bringing you valuable content.